In the front is a gray cover. You don't need to take it off. You want to take the black cover off. To take off the black cover, you're going to need the 8mm. It's 4 screws. No big deal. So once you've got the cover dropped, you see this big black bar. Behind this black bar, you'll see the oil plug. Right there, that's it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Now you have to be careful taking out that oil plug because that bar is in your way. And if you're not careful, that oil will shoot all over the place. I'm going to show you a video showing you what that looks like. Alright, here's your oil cap. It's plastic. Now, if it's really stuck and you can't get it off with your hand, lefty loosey, I would say you could use a pair of pliers, but I would caution you because you don't want to break off this clip. So you just want to break the seal, just crack the seal, just go a little bit, do the rest with your hand, okay? Once you release the pressure, since the F-150 holds a huge amount of oil, all of that weight is going to shoot this plug out. The oil will come out, hit this bar, and blast all over the place. It's going to splatter everywhere. You're not going to be able to get a good solid stream in to your oil container. So I want you guys to consider wiggling it out. I'll show you guys what it looks like if you let it blow out. Okay, so half turn. Get it ready. You're gonna have to be quick about it, okay?
Okay.
And that's what happens. Whenever you're ready, Andrew, just pinch the plug with your fingers and keep it in there to slow the flow of oil so that you can get that stream into your bucket without it blasting out and splattering all over the bar. To change your paper oil filter, you're gonna have to take off this top. You're gonna need a 1 1/16 torque wrench to put it back. All right, this is what it looks like. Dirty oil filter, clean oil filter. All right, so open up your little accessory items. Don't lose them. A little washer and 2 rings. Here's your old oil filter. These 2 rings are going to be exchanged for these 2 rings. Don't use anything sharp to try to put this back on because you'll end up cutting it on accident. Don't forget that your plug is plastic and you could snap it. There's no need to torque these down like old cars, conventional oil plugs. This is a plastic one. Once it's sat, it's fine. Get it in there, twist it till it sits. Once you know it's sat in there, it's just going to be righty-tighty until you hear it click and you know it can't go anymore. There's no need to try to torque it beyond this point. It's sat in there, you heard it snap and click into place, it's good. Alright, time to pour your oil. You got 5W30 in this vehicle. Alright, so here's your dipstick. We're going to be trying to hit that fill line right there. Not the circle. You want to hit the line. Alright, we're halfway there. So the wet line is right there in the middle. So we need to get it up here. Alright, the wet mark is about 3/4 of the way. We don't want to overfill it. You never want to overfill your oil. So I recommend taking your old oil and putting it back in the gallon.